Hey everyone, Zach at River Valley Marine in Red Wing, Minnesota, and today we are taking you through a boat we just got in for sale. This here is a 2005 Rinker 270 Fiesta V. This is an extremely well-equipped boat. Start here on the outside where it is matched with a tandem axle Trailmaster trailer. Trailer's got a spare tire, surge brakes, good looking overall package there. It is bottom painted. The outside of the boat is the pure white. Does have the arch option, which is nice. Work your way all the way forward. You've got a spotlight, and this boat does have windlass anchor, and you can see they mounted a beach to bow ladder. Work our way around the boat. You've got center mount cleats. Talked about the arch. TV antenna on top of the arch. Your VHF radio antenna on top of the arch. Full canvas enclosure along with a cockpit cover, and look at the size of this big extended platform. Nice ladder. It does have the cutouts if you did want to put a Weaver snap davit system in. Barbecue grill. Just a great setup here. From there, let's step on inside the boat. All right. As we step inside, the Rinker 270 is certainly impressive in size. You have this huge cockpit area in the back with a nice bench seat, cockpit table, nice Berber flooring throughout, lots of little storage areas, and a ton of cup holders. They do a good job with their cup holders. Side steps. The seats, generally speaking, seem to be in really nice shape. Walk through your battery switch box. Steps over here. You do have 110 outlets at the wet bar area. Spot for a cooler underneath. Work your way forward. You've got your L-shaped seating here. Again, generally speaking, it's all in pretty darn nice shape. Work our way forward. You've got the Corian cup holders. A little storage area in front. Does have the flip-through, walk-through windshield with the steps over here. Love the taupe color dash. Keeps the glare down. Take a look at the dash itself. It's pretty striking. It's pretty nice looking setup here. You got the 3-spoke Rinker tilt wheel, LOWRANCE, GPS depth finder. Trim tabs, LED indicators on them. They are Lenco electric tabs. Spotlight controls. Good looking set of gauges there. Your windlass controls, because the boat does have windlass. Cup holder, VHF radio, and then your helm seat. Very nice and comfortable, and it does have a flip-up bolster. Simply flip it up, you get more legroom, and I like how they cut it out as well, so you actually get more standing room with this boat. Tucked underneath is actually a nice storage spot and all the pop-out breakers for the equipment on the dash. So from there, let's take a walk inside. This is where the boat, I think, gets extremely impressive. As you walk down inside, this 9-foot beam definitely is noticeable. You can see right now I've got it kind of at a wide open, very spacious, lounging way to set this boat up. Then from there, if you want to have more of a table setup, there's a nice matching wood grain table that can go right in the middle, giving you a nice spacious seating area. And then when you're ready to go to bed at night, this quickly and easily conforms into a monster forward berth. It is very roomy in size, not only from a headroom standpoint, but front to back and side to side. Very cool setup from Rinker. Working our way over to the starboard side of the boat, you've actually got a closet area here. In that closet, there's actually a safe. Your stereo system there. There is a TV that can set up here. Air conditioning and heat controls, because the boat does have air conditioning and heat, along with a Kohler generator. Work our way back over to the galley. You've got your microwave, your cooktop, Corian countertops with a fiddle edge, stainless steel sink, refrigerator. Love the flush mount cabinetry. I don't know if you can notice that in the video, but if you look at the cabinetry, it's flush mounted, and then these corner pieces are actually real cherry. The rest of it is laminate. Work your way to the mid cabin. This is pretty impressive for a 27-foot boat. Look at the opening, the access, the storage in the back. As you enter, you've got storage, your control panel for your 110 power and start the generator. And you work your way into the mid cabin, and it is nice and big and open. And of course, we can't leave the inside without looking at the head, because this is a solid fiberglass lined head. Corian accent, stainless steel sinks, 110 outlet storage down below, a mirror on the back side. It can be used as a shower. You can hang the faucet handle up there. Stainless steel towel bar in the back. Your head down below. There's even a hook on the back side of the door. Aluminum trimmed framework. Just a good looking head compartment for a 27-foot boat. So before I leave the boat completely, I wanted to at least show you this motor compartment because they do a pretty impressive job, Rinker does, at putting the 350 meg in here. Batteries are easy to access, trim pumps easy to access, water tanks easy to access, waste tanks easy to access, and with all that stuff in there, you still have room for the generator, a 5K Kohler. That's pretty cool that they're able to fit all those nice features right inside this motor compartment. So that there kind of concludes a quick video walk around of this Rinker 270 Fiesta V. A very good overall setup with the trailer. Again, I am Zach here at River Valley Marine in Red Wing, Minnesota. Be glad to answer any questions you have or set up a time to view. And again, like always, we appreciate you taking the time to view our video.